welcome back to another episode of Android application development tutorial with Android Studio. So in this episode we are going to learn about another important feature of text field in Android. Suppose you want to provide some suggestions for the text field when user type contents on the text field. Then the first choice is the autocomplete text view. So the autocomplete text view provides suggestions when user type the input for the text field. Here I am going to show you how to place an autocomplete text field in your application and how to add data, how to add suggestions for the autocomplete text view. So create a project in Android Studio. First thing, we have to add the autocomplete text field into the layout file. So go to the activity main.xml file. So here I am going to add an autocomplete text view. I make the width as match parent, height as wrap content. Also provide an ID for the autocomplete text view. Here I am going to make a text field that accepts some country names. So I provide an ID as country. Also provide an hint for the autocomplete text field. Select country. Okay, now we add an autocomplete text field into the XML file, into the layout file. Okay, so now we have to provide the suggestions for the text field. So here I am going to put all the suggestions into the strings.xml file as a string array. So open up the strings.xml file in values folder, and here I am going to add a new string array, and I provide a name as country names and close the string array. Now we have to add some items. Now here I am going to add some country names using the item tag. Okay, now here I add some country names using the item tag. Okay, so now we have to open up the main activity.java file. First we have to create an object of autocomplete text view. So here I am going to create an object of autocomplete text view. Okay, first thing, we have to initialize that object. So autocomplete text view equal to find view by id r.id. The id for the autocomplete text view is country. Okay, now we have to typecast this one into autocomplete text view. Okay, now we have to get the data from the string array. So for that, here I am going to declare a string array. Country names. Okay, now I am going to get the data from the string resource file into this string array. So country names equal to, use the method get resources dot get string array. It is available on r dot array dot, the array name is country names. Okay, now we need an array adapter to add this data, add the string values into the autocomplete text view. So here I am going to create an object of array adapter. It is handling with the string value. I name it as adapter equal to new array adapter. First you have to specify a context object. I put it as this. Now you have to specify the layout for the autocomplete. So here I am going to use the inbuilt layout available on the Android system. So use the Android package android.r.layout. Use the symbol layout symbol list item 1. Okay, and finally you have to specify the resource. So here we got the resource on the string array country names. So specify that one, country names. Okay, now we got an adapter. Now we have to add this adapter into the autocomplete text view object. So autocomplete text view dot use the method set adapter. Sorry, the object name is autocomplete text view dot set adapter and specify the adapter name. Here the adapter name is adapter. Okay, now we complete the coding. Now we can test the application. So now I am going to run the project. Okay, now we have the project available on the virtual device. So open up the strings.xml file. We have this much of suggestions are available. So now I am going to type some input into the text field. First I type Afghanistan. So when I type AF, that suggestion is appear Afghanistan. Now I change that one into AN. Now this much of suggestions are available on the strings.xml file. Okay guys, this is how we add an autocomplete text view into an Android application. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.